फाइनेंशियल एक्शन टास्क फोर्स का कहना है कि इसकी नजरें पाकिस्तान पर है। एजेंसी का बयान हिजबुल मुजाहिदीन के सरबराह सईद सलाहुद्दीन के रावलपिंडी में होने की इत्तला के बाद सामने आया। याद रहे कि गुज़श्ता दिनों सलाहुद्दीन ने दहशतगर्द बशीर के जनाजे में शिरकत की थी। बशीर अहमद को नामालूम अफराद ने गोली मारकर कत्ल कर दिया था। वो सईद सलाहुद्दीन का करीबी समझा जाता था।
Grey list at the last plenary. Pakistan had 2 action plans to complete, and they had 34 action items that were on this plan. There was an on-site visit by the FATF to Pakistan, which confirmed that Pakistan has strengthened its AML and CFT systems. Pakistan has also taken action to complete the 34 action plan items, either totally or substantially, based on high-level political commitment by Pakistan to basically continue and sustain these, further changes to its AML system to strengthen it. The FATF plenary decided to take Pakistan off the grey list. Now, what is important to stress is that while Pakistan has been taken off the grey list, Pakistan continues to have, continues to be supervised by the Asia Pacific group. So I would urge Pakistan to continue to address its remaining action plan items, to fully complete them, as well as to make sure that it sustains its commitment and continues to enhance its AML CFT systems. I will not speculate on specific, media reports, but I think what is important is to emphasize that there continues to be, monitoring of Pakistan's progress by the Asia Pacific group. Thank you.
AIC